Last month, I audited a marketing agency that was paying for 17 different automation tools. 17. And somehow, they were still doing data entry by hand. Here's the thing nobody tells you about automation: buying tools doesn't save you money. Connected tools save you money. Most businesses I see have what I call a Frankenstein stack: a CRM that doesn't talk to your email tool, a project manager that ignores your calendar, and a payment system that might as well be on a different planet. You're not automating, you're just subscribing to chaos, and it gets worse because every time those tools don't sync, someone on your team has to manually bridge the gap. Copy paste, double check, re enter, fix the error from the re entry. That's not efficient. That's an invisible salary you're paying to nobody. I ran the numbers with one client, a 12-person team. Their disconnected tools were costing them 23 hours a week in manual workarounds. At their average hourly rate, that's $47,000 a year. Gone, just gone. So, what's the actual mistake here? It's not the tools. The tools are fine. It's that most people buy automation like they're shopping at Costco. Oh, that looks useful. Ooh, that's on sale. Let me grab that too. No strategy, no map, no idea how any of it connects. Then 6 months later, you've got 17 subscriptions, a team that hates the new system, and you're wondering why you're more overwhelmed than before. Here's the fix, and it's simpler than you think. First, audit what you actually have. Most businesses can cut 30 to 40% of their tools immediately. Second, pick a core system and build out from there. Your CRM or project manager. That's your hub. Everything else connects to it or it goes. Third, stop setting and forgetting. Automation isn't a crock pot. Your business changes, your workflows need to change with it. If you want help untangling your Frankenstein stack, or you just want someone to tell you which tools to cancel, that's literally what we do at Smart Buzz AI. If you want to fix it yourself, check out the link to our Frankenstein Stack audit, both links in the description, and drop a comment. How many tools are you paying for right now? Be honest. I want to see who's beating that 17.